Personal life, family and relationships.
Jimmy Donaldson's story is not just about viral videos, massive giveaways, or global fame. It is also about the quiet, essential foundations of family, loyalty, and love. From the unwavering support of his mother and brother to the nurturing of a meaningful romantic relationship, these aspects of his life have shaped the man behind MrBeast. They offer a reminder that even the most public figures rely on private relationships to sustain their creativity, resilience, and humanity. Jimmy's family has been a consistent source of support throughout his journey. Raised primarily by his mother, who worked diligently to provide for him and his older brother, CJ, Jimmy grew up in a household that emphasized hard work, responsibility, and perseverance. His mother's encouragement allowed him to pursue his YouTube dreams from a young age, even when the path seemed uncertain. CJ, Jimmy's older brother, has also been an important figure in his life. Although CJ is not as publicly involved in MrBeast's content as other members of his team, he has occasionally appeared in videos and has been a supportive presence behind the scenes. Jimmy's family bonds, rooted in loyalty and trust, have provided him with a stable foundation amid the chaos of viral fame.
Romantic relationships.
MrBeast's relationship with Maddy Spidell began in 2019, at a time when his career was growing rapidly and his videos were reaching millions worldwide. Their connection appeared genuine and supportive, occasionally shared through photos, social media posts, and a few warm moments in his content. From the outside, their relationship seemed calm and grounded, offering a gentle contrast to the high-pressure world of YouTube fame. For several years, the couple stayed largely private, choosing to keep their personal life protected from the noise of the internet. By 2022, however, the relationship quietly came to an end. Neither MrBeast nor Maddy publicly explained the reasons behind their breakup, and both initially chose silence over speculation. But as time passed, Maddy began sharing a series of cryptic posts on social media, reflective messages about being hurt, used, or blamed by someone she trusted. She never mentioned MrBeast by name, yet the timing and tone of her words led many to believe she was speaking about their past relationship. These posts painted a picture of someone who had gone through emotional difficulty and was learning to heal from it.
Despite the rumors, one thing became clear. Maddy was moving on. She relocated to Los Angeles for work, focused on her own creative career, and expressed gratitude to her audience for supporting her through her transition. Her messages shifted from pain to growth, emphasizing how much happier she felt years after leaving the relationship. Meanwhile, MrBeast continued building his empire, keeping his private life separate until he later met Thea Booysen. His personal life took a warm and hopeful turn when he began a relationship with South African gaming streamer Thea Booysen. Their connection grew steadily, shaped by shared interests, mutual support, and the calm balance she brought into his fast-paced world of content creation. After spending the following year growing closer, Jimmy decided to take the next step in a heartfelt and memorable way. He proposed to Thea on December 25th, 2024, turning Christmas Day into a moment they would never forget. A week later, on January 1st, 2025, he announced their engagement publicly, opening the new year not just with new goals, but with a new chapter of love, partnership, and stability in his life. While Jimmy does not frequently discuss his love life in detail, his approach suggests a focus on maintaining meaningful, healthy connections, rather than seeking attention or publicity through romance. This mirrors the careful, strategic way he manages his career, intentional, thoughtful, and purpose-driven.
Philanthropic ventures.
One of the most remarkable aspects of MrBeast's career is not only his creative content, but also his dedication to philanthropy. While many YouTubers focus primarily on entertainment, Jimmy Donaldson used his platform to make a tangible impact on people's lives, redefining the role of creators in society. His philanthropic efforts have become a hallmark of his brand, earning him recognition not only as an entertainer, but as a global force for good. Even in his early career, Jimmy experimented with giving away money to strangers, friends, and fans. These gestures were initially modest, small cash prizes or gift cards, but they reflected a mindset that would grow exponentially over time. He noticed the power of helping people directly, whether it was providing financial relief or simply creating joy and surprise. These early acts set the stage for larger and more ambitious charitable projects.
As Mr. Beast's channel grew, he began incorporating philanthropy into his videos on a massive scale. His challenges often combined entertainment with generosity, such as giving away hundreds of thousands of dollars to participants in competitions, funding small businesses, or surprising random strangers with life-changing gifts. One of his most notable philanthropic ventures is Team Trees, launched in 2019 in collaboration with the Arbor Day Foundation. Alongside fellow creators, Jimmy encouraged viewers to donate to plant 20 million trees around the world. The campaign went viral, attracting support from individuals, corporations, and celebrities, and ultimately surpassed its goal, planting millions of trees and raising awareness about environmental conservation. Following this success, he initiated Team Seas in 2021, aiming to remove 30 million pounds of trash from oceans and waterways. Like #TeamTrees, the campaign became a global movement, demonstrating Jimmy's ability to leverage his massive audience for causes larger than himself. These projects revealed his unique talent, combining viral content, community engagement, and social responsibility to make a measurable impact.
Personal acts of philanthropy.
Beyond large-scale campaigns, MrBeast is known for personal acts of generosity. He has paid off strangers' debts, funded education, donated to homeless shelters, and helped small businesses survive economic hardships. In his videos, he often surprises individuals in need with cars, houses, or cash prizes, acts that not only transform lives but also inspire viewers to give back. What makes Jimmy's philanthropy exceptional is his intentional integration of giving into his content. Unlike traditional charity, his approach is creative, entertaining, and inclusive. Viewers are not just witnesses, they are participants in the excitement and joy of helping others. This has created a culture of generosity on his channel, encouraging fans to support charitable causes themselves.
Jimmy's philanthropic approach reflects a deeper philosophy. He believes that wealth and influence carry responsibility. His projects are not random acts. They are carefully planned to maximize impact, create viral engagement, and inspire others to contribute. By combining entertainment with meaningful action, MrBeast has demonstrated that social media can be a platform for positive change, not just personal fame or profit.
Donaldson launched the Beast Philanthropy YouTube channel on September 17, 2020, announcing a dedicated food bank and naming longtime collaborator Darren Margolius as executive director. The channel states that it donates all advertising revenue, brand deals, and merchandise proceeds to charity. Beast philanthropy campaigns have included distributing 10,000 turkeys in Greenville, delivering 20,000 pairs of shoes to children in Africa, building 100 wells for communities with limited access to clean water, and donating $300,000 in technology to schools. Donaldson has also produced videos that fund medical procedures, helping 1,000 blind people see again, 1,000 deaf people regain hearing, and 2,000 people walk again.
Today, MrBeast's philanthropic ventures continue to grow in scope and ambition. His work has inspired countless creators to integrate charity into their content and has shown millions of viewers that giving back can be both impactful and enjoyable. From planting trees to cleaning oceans and transforming lives with financial gifts, Jimmy Donaldson's generosity has become as much a part of his identity as his viral challenges.
the hidden journey.
Looking back at the story of a small town boy who became a global phenomenon, one cannot help but notice the quiet hours he spent learning, experimenting, and refining his craft. There were countless nights when the world around him slept, while he stayed up, editing videos, testing ideas, and trying things that seemed impossible. It is often in these unseen moments, the ordinary and repetitive work, that extraordinary achievements quietly take shape. What stands out even more is how unusual ideas and bold choices shaped his path. Tasks that seemed strange or impractical, counting endlessly, giving away prizes, or taking on challenges no one else would attempt, slowly drew attention, not because they followed trends, but because they were different. Sometimes the courage to step away from the ordinary, to explore what others overlook, can make the difference between blending in and standing out.
Behind the stunts and viral moments was a network of support, friends, family, and collaborators who shared the vision, helped organize plans, and quietly carried pieces of the dream. It is often the unseen foundation, the teamwork and trust, that allows daring ideas to become reality. Alongside this, generosity and thoughtfulness became a hallmark, showing that success is not measured only by numbers or fame, but also by the ways one touches the lives of others. In observing this journey, one can sense a pattern. Persistence, curiosity, creativity, and care all intertwine. The story does not claim to reveal secrets, but quietly illustrates that greatness often grows from small, consistent efforts, unusual ideas, and a commitment that goes beyond self-interest. Those who watch closely may notice that the path to achievement rarely follows shortcuts, but instead winds through curiosity, effort, and the willingness to try, fail, and try again.